Good morning, folks. Heath here. I'm working in the greenhouse, cleaning up this mess. Oh, getting ready for the garden season for 2025. And I wanted to talk with you and show you some stuff about these little mini tillers. If you've been to the Mittleider boot camp class with us, you've seen these being used out in the garden, in the soil beds, and in the grow boxes. And I found that the the way that they come with these shields on them that tilt down like that make it so that this tiller won't work its way through the soil, and you continually have to manhandle it, lift it out to move it on. So I've taken one of these and I have modified it slightly, and this is the modified one, and you can see how that dirt shield on the one in the box tilts up and this one tilts down. This is removable. I took 4 bolts out and was able to flip it upside down, and now it acts, well, it makes it easier for this to glide or pull itself through the soil or the grow box. And on the back, on this one, because of the handlebars on it to control it, you can't flip it upside down, but I did bend it closer to being straight as compared to this model here, and that has made this so I can put it into soil. Well, I've not done soil yet, I've only done the grow box, but I can set it in the grow box, get to tilling, and it will pull itself through. I just have to maintain control and keep it from tearing anything up. Alright, short, sweet, to the point. These little mini tillers are fantastic. I have done for years, used the shovel, and this does a far better job. We use this to prepare the bed and to work the pre-plant and weekly feed in before we put plants in. The gardening season has kicked off here in Missouri for me. I've got lots of work to do, but hopefully we'll have videos coming out again pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.